We are taking action soon. Geza on deepening crisis in Zimbabwe. The 13th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, outspoken war veteran blessed Geza has issued one of the strongest warnings yet to President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration, declaring that war veterans are preparing to take action if escalating attacks on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and other liberation figures continue. Speaking to supporters on Friday evening, Geza accused senior ZANU-PF officials of undermining the liberation legacy through corruption, intimidation, and betrayal of those who sacrificed for the nation, warning of impending action. While Geza acknowledged that Chiwenga has publicly opposed violence, he stressed that patience among veterans was running out. "We know that, General Chiwenga. You said you don't want bloodshed. That's fine. However, if things continue like this, we are going to take action soon. We will not say what form of action we are taking." His remarks, repeated several times during his address, were received as a signal that war veterans may defy party structures if current tensions escalate. Praise for Chiwenga. Geza positioned Chiwenga as a symbol of loyalty and sacrifice, contrasting him with officials he accused of betrayal. General Chiwenga remains one of the few surviving members of the High Command. "We salute those who have stood firm and remained loyal." By tying Chiwenga's legacy to the Liberation War, Geza sought to remind supporters that the vice president enjoys historical legitimacy that cannot be erased by factional attacks. Mnangagwa will not finish his term. Geza also turned his fire on Mnangagwa's leadership, predicting that corruption and internal resistance would cut his presidency short. Fellow Zimbabweans, make no mistake, Mnangagwa will not finish his term. A lot is happening behind the scenes. The wheels of change are turning. The people of Zimbabwe are saying, "Enough is enough to looting. We will end the rot in the transport, health, tourism, and other ministries where inflated tenders are feeding the gluttons." His fiery comments come at a time when ZANU-PF is deeply divided over Resolution 1, which seeks to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028. War veterans have become increasingly vocal, accusing party elites of corruption and betrayal of the liberation legacy. Analysts warn that Geza's threats reflect mounting pressure within the ruling party, where factional battles between Mnangagwa's camp and Chiwenga's backers are intensifying ahead of the